My 2013 Toyota Corolla hasn't seen many miles for its age. On its 13th birthday, the odometer proudly stands at a solid 120,000 kilometers. For all the imperialists, that's 74,564 miles. Why hasn't the world completely switched to the metric system despite 95% of the world using it? The exceptions being United States, Myanmar, and Liberia. But I suppose that's a debate for another day. Now, you can get this done at your local car shop if you're willing to spend a good chunk of money. But if you're cheap like me, you're better off buying a $10 headlight restoration kit and spending 30 minutes doing it yourself. If you're wondering why headlights turn yellow in the first place, blame that giant glowing ball in the sky. The sun. Yes, the same one that keeps us alive also slowly destroys our headlights by a process called photooxidation. Honestly, I'm just thankful they lasted this long. We all know what happens to those cheap $10 clear phone cases we love to put on our iPhones. Crystal clear on day 1, radioactive banana by month 3. I've dropped a link in the description for the kit. Thanks for watching and keep on rocking.